How to fix Elmedia Player not uninstalling. Here's a script file to uninstall Elmedia Player from Mac. #bin/bash #stop the Elmedia Player application if it is running. If grep elmedia/dev/null then echo stopping Elmedia Player. Killall Elmedia sleep 2fi #uninstall Elmedia Player echo uninstalling Elmedia Player. Sudo rmrf/application/elmediaplayer.app sudo rmrf/library/application support /elmediaplayer sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.elmedia.player.plist sudo rmrf/library/caches/com.elmedia.player sudo rmrf/user/shared/elmediaplayer sudo rmrf/library/receipt/elmediaplayer sudo rmrf/var/db/receipt/com.elmedia.player. Echo Elmedia Player has been uninstalled. This script will first check if the Elmedia Player application is running and stop it if it is. It will then proceed to uninstall Elmedia Player by removing its application bundle, preferences, and support files. Finally, it will remove any receipt related to Elmedia Player. To use this script, follow these steps. 1. Open a text editor on your Mac, such as TextEdit or BBEdit. 2. Copy and paste the above script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, for example, uninstall_elmedia.sh. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the directory where you saved the uninstall_elmedia.sh file using the cd command. 6. Run the command mod +x uninstall_elmedia.sh to make the script executable. 7. Run the script by typing /uninstall_elmedia.sh in terminal and hitting enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Elmedia Player from your Mac. Please note that this process is irreversible, so make sure that you want to uninstall Elmedia Player before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.